Yes, sir.
Six o'clock, ready to leave. Southbound and down. What's going on, guys? Look at this sweet mall crawler, but the best part of it is the license plate.
Stud muffin.
Stud muffin. I'll zoom in on it. Look at that thing. Flossy rims. He is proud of his rough country lift. I just ran across the parking lot, so I'm a little bit out of wind, but we need casters for the crawler that's going on my trailer. So we just stopped to get some awesome Virginia barbecue. Sorry for the noise, that's just traffic. But we're probably about 2.5, 3 hours away from our destination. We'll check in there. Best thing when you're driving is podcast off-road stuff.
In the back of it.
Charlie Melchner.
40-foot long.
We are driving back. We're by.
No idea what I was doing. Showed up at.
We're by Harrisburg right now. Driving back.
I looked at the mountain and I said,
So I didn't record this out of respect, but we just got pulled over. Realized we had no trailer lights. Didn't even know. Always check your trailer lights. But now, as you can see, they work. The plug is finicky. I got to rewire this trailer. This is the first trip with this trailer long distance. There's a cool auction over there, by the way. But we're not that far from home. We're still in PA. We're almost to Cabela's on 78. We're on 81. We're going to get off of 81 here in a minute. Grantville, I guess we're at. Actually, here's a sign right here. Where are we? Hazleton, 67 miles. That's 81 when it splits. Allentown, 66 miles. So we're not that far from home. We're probably about, I'd say, 80 miles from home. 80, maybe 100. I'll see ya. So just got home. Let me see what time it is. I think it's 12 o'clock. 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Just got home. That was a hell of a journey. We're gonna unload it tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's about 10 o'clock. I slept in. We got in, like I said last night, 1. We're headed up to Milford, Pennsylvania. I gotta unload those tires, a tire in my bed because I don't need that extra weight. And then we gotta figure out how to get this up out of the middle of my trailer so we can get it off the trailer. So I'll video that, but I've gotta get all the stuff cleaned up and head to Milford.